Hi everyone, I am Steph. I'm one of the instructors at So Be It Studio. I'll be taking over Instagram for today. So the project we're going to be doing today is actually a otter, a little stuffy otter. It'll be a little different since we did alter the pattern a little bit. But follow along and I will show you how to make this stuffy. I'm just going to drink my coffee and then we're going to get started. So first things first, you're going to want to print out the pattern from the So Be It website. It should be on the website soon. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, of good paper scissors, and tape. Okay, for the next part, you're going to want to lay out your fabric. This is my fabric A and this is my fabric B. So you're going to want to follow the grain lines and then follow the instruction on the pattern. So here it says cut 1 and this one too. So you're just going to have one layer. And then for the ones that say cut 4, I doubled the layer of fabric and I'm going to cut those 3 twice. And then you have this one that you're going to cut once. So that's it for today, guys. The otter is now complete. You can download the pattern on www.sobeitstudio.com. It'll be under the tab DIY. It should be uploaded shortly. Other than that, for all the instructions, just check the highlights on our Instagram and you'll be able to make it. Thank you guys. Bye.